Here are the winners for the first edition of the PR Movement Clan Connect Digital Creators 20 Awards for 2021 in alphabetical order. Abhishank Babbar, Director Digital Lead North for Genesis BCW. He was recognized for his work with the launch of the Sennheiser Ambeo soundbar and the NASSCOM Back to Business outreach. Abhishek Pathak, Assistant Manager Digital Marketing for PR Professionals. He was awarded for his work in fighting fake news for the Bihar School Examination Board. Abhoy Chattopadhyay, Podcaster, Sports This Week. Sports This Week has also been among the top 100 sports news podcasts in the USA market twice. Amit Nanchahal, Associate Director Corporate Communications, PepsiCo India, recognized for creating a micro-influencer driven model for campaigns by PepsiCo, which includes the famous Lay's Smile Deke Dekho campaign. Anisu Varghese, blogger with Intrascope, a seasoned internal communication expert. Anisu has been consistently sharing content that bridges the gap between theory and practice. Ayushi Anand, Senior Account Executive, The Practice, recognized for her work on the Smile Train. She helped virtually launch India's first Cleft Leadership Center in Karnataka for Smile Train in the middle of COVID. Bhaskar Majumdar, Head Corporate Affairs, Communication and Digital for India, Nepal, Bangladesh and Bhutan for Aegis. Bhaskar Majumdar had to find digital methods to stay connected with the people of Aegis who often worked in fairly remote areas. The two campaigns that he is most proud of is the Virtual Wellness Challenge he created for the employees and also helped the Gurgaon Chief Medical Officer to create a COVID IT center. Dilip Singh, Senior Creative Director Art at Factors PR, recognized for his work on McCain's Snack O'Clock campaign, where consumption moments were used to offer snack solutions. The judges liked his work for the good articulation of impact of the campaign on business. Devjit Kundu, Account Director Content, Avian WE. When you have Amitabh Bachchan writing a blog for your brand newsroom, you know that you've done something right, which is why his content work for the Samsung India newsroom struck a strong chord with the judges. Diksha Sethi, Podcaster, Different Strokes. A life-altering adversity inspired Diksha Sethi to launch her podcast, Different Strokes, where a collection of 25 plus extraordinary stories sends a powerful reminder to the world that life is beautiful. The judges really liked her use of podcast for a sensitive topic. Homit Bakshi, Current Global Mumbai. Homit helped LinkedIn use data and content to launch two digital PR campaigns, Diaries of a Working Woman and Next Gen Career Series. Jay Behel, co-founder Navik. When an entry includes the biography of a spoon in poetry format and an NFT art project, you know it's going to be a fun read. And the jury certainly agreed, who found his work very creative and out of the box. Malvika Surendra, Senior Specialist Corporate Communications, Walmart Global Tech India. Malvika has been recognized for her work on helping to build the Walmart workplace space and also for internal engagement campaigns such as a virtual treasure hunt and an appreciation program called Badgify. Nidhi Acharya, Manager Digital and Social for Medtronic India. She has been recognized for her work on building a unique digital engagement program for young postgraduate surgeons. The judges really liked her innovative idea and its potential business impact. Nikhil Chawla, Founder and Executive Editor, The Unbiased Blog. From a long-form article writer to Reels video maker, Nikhil has made the successful transition to short-form video creation. His most recent reel of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class showed a first-class travel experience in just 15 seconds. Pooja Trihan, Director Marketing Communications, Sugarbox Networks, for using a digital B2B approach for helping people understand the kind of work that Sugarbox Networks does. Shrey Kapoor, Team Lead Emerging Technologies for Rudafin India. Shrey is the youngest emerging technology leads in Rudafin. He has also helped to develop an Alexa skill for Rudafin CEO Kathy Bloomgarden. He is also the founder of techfile.com, an authorized publisher on the Google News platform. Sumit Jamwal, Senior Account Director at Factors. Sumit has been recognized for his work on the think tank ICRER and for planning its digital outreach. Tarunjit Ratan, host of the All About PR podcast, co-founder PRPOI and managing partner Nucleus PR. The judges picked Tarunjit Ratan because they really liked her work with the podcast, which was launched right in the middle of COVID. They also liked her work with PRPOI, an industry association which enjoys a community of 10,000, and the judges felt it had excellent engagement on social media. Verghese Thomas, VP and Global Head Corporate Communications for the TVS Motor Company. Verghese Thomas leveraged his experience to spectacular effect by planning a digital communication plan for India's first Bluetooth-enabled scooter inspired by Marvel's Avengers. The judges really liked the business impact which was clearly mentioned in the campaign. Congratulations winners of the first edition of the PR Moment Clan Connect Digital 20 Creators Awards. Alphabetically to all the winners who are there, I'm just going to request them to say a very short, basically what they feel, how they're thinking. First up, Abhishek Pathak, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm extremely humbled to receive this award. Thanks to jury members for recognizing my work. I would like to thank my mentor, Mr. Sarvesh Tiwari, for giving me the opportunity and freedom to explore and implement innovative approaches in the digital space. Thank you, PR Moment and Clan Connect. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you and congratulations. Abhishek Babbar, can you come in next?
Sure, thank you. Thank you so much for the recognition. It means a lot. Really genuinely grateful that I'm a part of this coveted list, and especially with the kind of people who are here. It's just amazing. And again, really happy to be a part of, such amazing people out there. So congratulations, everyone. And thank you so much, Parul and team. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. Aboy.
Hi, thank you, Parul. Thank you, Clan Connect. Feels good. I mean, that started off as a hobby, primarily for the group of friends that we had who probably were not as deep into sports. For them to just keep informed on what's happening, to come to a stage where it's been recognized, feels definitely very good. Gives the motivation and momentum that maybe things probably in a much better manner can go into a bigger platform and in a bigger way. So yeah, that's about it. I guess more and more people can listen to it, and they can also get hooked onto sports, which probably till now is very limited to the purists or people who are like crazy about it. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Aboy. And let me see who's next in the list. Ayushi, please come in and share your thoughts.
Hi, Parul. Thanks a lot. Yeah, this does feel great. It definitely is a cherry on top for me because I'm traveling right now and the celebration doesn't get any better. So thanks a lot for this recognition. It's been amazing working with the team that I have been with. A big thank you to Smile Train for having had the faith in the practice to have run the mill for them. So very grateful to Smile Train, and of course, my team, Sashi and Anirudh and everybody who was with me on it. Thanks a lot, Parul. Feels great. Truly humbled by this. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ayushi. I'm glad you were able to join even when you're busy and traveling. So thank you for that.
Totally worth it. Totally worth it. Thank you.
So enjoy your weekend, and like to bring in Bhaskar.
Thanks, Parul. Thanks, PR Moment and jury members. There is a special moment for me because someone like me who's coming from output age to this new age, getting a digital award is something I can always cherish about. Thanks.
Great to speak with you. So I'm just reading out names as I see them in the list. Anybody gets missed out, please give me a shout out. Devjit, would you like to come in next? I'm not sure if you can hear me.
I think if Dave is taking time, Parul, it's okay.
Okay, I'd like you to come in, please.
Yes. So first of all, big thank you to Clan Connect and PR Movement for setting up, platform for digital creators. I think that's really, really pleasant that there is a platform now where you recognize digital creators. For me, I would like to thank, first of all, my colleagues with whom I've been working on some fabulous campaigns. And also Team Edelman, I think, who've been very, very closely working with me.
Amit, who won the award?
Sorry?
I don't know. Go ahead, Amit.
Yeah. Also, I think, at PepsiCo India, like I said, we've been working on a lot of campaigns. And I think this award will further, reiterate and motivate me to work on, very compelling and impactful campaigns which can make a difference. And lastly, would like to also, thank all other winners, right, who have basically won this award, and congratulate everyone to make new milestones and inspire others to become digital creators.
Thank you so much. So I'd like to now bring in Devjit if he's there. Thanks, Amit. I know you're like in your hometown and in the middle of a family function, but thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks a
lot. Devjit, I'm not sure whether he can hear us.
Yeah, I can definitely hear you.
Okay. Go ahead.
Well, there are so many digital creators, and everyone wants to make their presence felt. So I thought that I'll let Amit speak first. But that's congratulations, everyone, basically, and great of you to do this thing. I mean, it's very difficult for every one of us to rise above the clutter that we are doing and do something meaningful and great per se every day. I mean, even the greatest of the chefs can't cook something new every day. And that's why probably I'm taking this award on behalf of my entire team at AVNV. And a big shout out to all of you. I mean, we are all doing it together.
Thank you so much, Devjit. It's great work, and it was one of the most interesting entries. So congratulations. Diksha, if you're there, I'd love to have you come in, and congratulations.
Hi, thank you very much, Parul. Unfortunately, I missed most of it, but I'm glad I could join in the last 5 minutes. Really, really grateful for this recognition. Different Strokes podcast started a year ago, and it never started with this endeavor to win any awards or any recognition, but just to curate some inspiring stories of such amazing people. It has been an incredible journey, and if it has won this recognition, it's like the cherry on top. So truly, truly humbled. Thank you very much. And congratulations to everybody out here.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Diksha, for joining in. Homit, may I ask you to come in?
Well, of course, I'm like super happy to have been featured on the list, especially with such really diverse and innovative creators all around me. And these campaigns have been really close to my heart because with LinkedIn, we're always trying to push the envelope without really getting into much. So digital space really grew all over last year, and we were able to leverage it to reach out to the right communities and create inspiring stories. So yeah, I'm just going to take it as a great win today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. I'd like to bring in Jay Behel now. Welcome, Jay.
Hi, thank you, Parul. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Firstly, thank you, Clan Connect. Thank you, PR Movement. Parul, personal thanks to you for always telling me what not to do in life. And I'm very happy to see a lot of my colleagues here. Sumit, hi. One of the things that Parul told me that get your family members also. I'm very happy that my mom and my two Masis are on this call. So it's a great feeling to celebrate this with them. Just the last point I'd like to make is that the last 500 odd days have been really weird for our industry with COVID and allowing us to sort of grow accordingly. I took a step in 2020 to do something new, and I'm very happy that this could become the very first step of my achievements. So thank you very much, everyone. And congrats to the winners.
Congratulations, Jay, and hello to your mother and aunt. Glad that you're there. And I've actually written about your NFT project with your mom in the write-up. So do look out for that. So all the winners, the link is there in the chat box, and of course you're being tagged and separately as well. I'd like to now bring in Nikhil Chawla. Welcome, Nikhil, if you could come in.
Hi, thank you so much, everyone. I mean, congratulations and thank you. And I would like to thank the stalwart jury for picking me as a winner. And, after a decade of work, it feels good to be really, really recognized. Somebody who started as a long form article writer to getting an award for something that is just 15 seconds or 30 seconds. So it's like a big achievement. I would like to thank my team, my family, my friends for the support. And once again, I think it's an opportunity for us to do better and do even reach great heights next year and enter.
Yeah, I think we've lost him, and so I'm going to go on to the next speaker. I think we've lost. We're going to go on to the next person now in the list, Nidhi Acharya. If you're there, could you come in?
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much. Really like to thank the platform PR Connect and Bank Connect for giving us this platform for the creators. I'm also really happy that we could get some recognition from the healthcare industry space. And bring those innovation ideas and campaigns from the healthcare industry, which is regulated, which has the set of challenges. But really we were able to push the pedal and come up with some great ideas this year. And really like to thank my boss Masuma, who has really pushed me to put those ideas on the table, and my wonderful colleagues in the Medtronic India team. And the leadership for really giving us these opportunities to drive digital campaigns and really use this channel effectively to reach to our patients and our customers. So thanks so much for this opportunity. Really, it's been my first external win. So this is very special for me. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. So those of you who want to read more about the work that we've just talked about for all the winners, I've posted the story link in the chat box. Specifically, Nidhi, her work with postgraduate surgeons is extremely impressive, and the rest of the winners, of course, as well, equally impressive. Go and check out their work. Thank you, Nidhi.
Thank you so
much. Moving on to the next person I can see in the list. Please forgive me if it is not coming in the exact order. Malvika, if you'd like to come in. I know you're also traveling today, so maybe you'd like to come in early.
Yeah, sure, Parul. I'm not traveling, but I'm in between other calls. But I'm so glad that I could join this and share the evening with such a talented bunch. I'm very excited to see my name, and this is an initiative so close to my heart. I was very skeptical in the beginning because it's internal communication and not really digital in the traditional way. But scaling up Workplace as a platform internally at Walmart has been a very, very good learning experience for me. So yeah, thank you, Parul and PR Moment for giving a platform to showcase that. And congratulations to all the winners. I mean, I'm seeing some great work, and glad to know about all that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Malvika. And now next request in the list, in the grand list, I'd like to request Shrey to come in. Shrey, if you're there.
Hi, Parul. Thank you, everyone and judges, for this recognition and providing this platform. It's honored to be placed in this distinguished list where all the winners have made important contribution in their respective fields. So congratulations, everyone, and thanks a lot, Parul.
Welcome, Shrey. All of you will, of course, read more about his work, but Shrey is one of the youngest heads of emerging technologies in Rudafin, and he's actually made the Alexa voice skill for their CEO, Kathy Bloomgarden. So, so fabulous work and interesting work. Thank you, Shrey.
Thanks.
I'd like to bring in Varghese now because also Varghese I know has a busy schedule. So if I can very briefly request Varghese to come in, and then we'll speak to Sumit and Taranjeet next.
Hey, Parul. Thank you very much, Parul. Thanks for this recognition. I mean, needless to say, I'm really humbled to get this award, and I would like to thank the jury of PR Moment Client Connect Awards for this recognition. Parul, actually, this credit should go to my entire communication team at TVS for pulling off a phenomenal digital campaign, the Super Squad. The team, I think, is logged in today right now. I shout out to my entire team for supporting me on this. And I think it was one of the best campaigns that we've ever done in the digital space. Thanks a lot, Parul, again for this recognition, and congratulations. And a big shout out to the entire group of winners for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Varghese. And those of you interested, do check out the Marvels Inspired campaign for TVS scooters. You'll find it a lot of fun. Coming next, I'd like to bring in Sumit and then Taranjeet.
Yeah, thank you, Parul, and a big congratulations to all the winners. Thank you to the organizers. I just want to say that this is just the beginning, and I just hope like 30 under 30 that became a big thing, and it's a marvelous thing for PR professionals to have these days. This award also grows in stature and becomes a benchmark. So this is just the beginning for all of us, and a big congratulations to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumit. Last but not the least, we have our industry influencer, personal industry influencer, Taranjeet Rathi. Come in, Taranjeet. As always, a pleasure to discuss books and dogs, perhaps, and work, but not necessarily in that order. Welcome, Taranjeet, and congratulations. Do say a few words.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Parul. Hold on. Okay. Thank you, Parul. I mean, especially for pushing me to do more. I know we love our conversations on books and dogs, but thank you for pushing me to, keep pushing the envelope even every time I create something or we take up a new initiative. I would also like to thank the jury and Client Connect for recognizing our work on All About PR and PRPOI. This is amazing. I love the new mediums that we are exploring today. It's such an exciting time to be in communication. We're proud of what we have created on the podcast All About PR with my team at Nuctis PR and the community PRPOI that has been driven by myself, Sonali Sukhal, and Pooja Trehan. This award is a huge encouragement for us to continue moving forward on both and keep creating interesting conversations and communication. It's exciting even after a couple of decades in the industry. There is still so much more to explore. So congratulations to all the winners as well.